What to do after your 12th or your graduation is a big question. My friends, it is not only a big question, it is a very important question. Well, why I'm saying this is an important question? Because it will change your life forever. I can say it is a life-changing question for you. Well, my friends, now in the age of early 16 to 18, it is very much difficult to find the perfect subject, or I should say the perfect career for your future. Now what to do? Again the question arises. Well, to solve you this problem and this question, today I am here with you. I am Ekta Sharma, and today I will guide you what you should do after your 12th and graduation. Well, as I discussed earlier, that it is a life-changing question. Now, why I am saying life-changing question again and again? Suppose that you desperately wants to become a doctor, right? But you are very much afraid of chemistry subject in your 10th standard. So what you will do, or any other student will do, you will change your subject or your field just because of your fear. And you don't have any good guidance for your chemistry subject, so that you can opt your chemistry subject, or you can be a doctor in future. So when you will reach to 12th standard, you will come to know that you have made a mistake and you can't go back. So it is a very important decision in the early age, in 12th standard, 10th standard or graduation, to find or to choose the perfect decision with the help of a perfect guide. Now here you need to search a perfect guide or a coach. Well, my friends, here you need to understand the exact difference between a guide and a coach. Well, a guide can teach you or provide you the solution for your future, but a coach will provide you training, coach will provide you possible solution and also the path how to walk the solution. So my dear friends, you need to select a coach over here. Now again the question arises, from where we can select the coach? Well, my dear students, well, if you observe clearly, the coaches are around you. Yes, of course. Here you can observe we are surrounded by people those who influence our life very much. So the coach can be your teacher. Yes, my best teacher or my best guide can be my teacher, and it can be you itself. Or my dear students, it can be your parents also, because they know your potential very well. Or you can choose your any good and best friend as your coach. So first step is to choose a coach. So my dear students, after you have chosen your coach and taking guidance from him, now you need to understand the market needs and trends, so that you can decide your particular perfect career or your field. Now what you need to do, you need to observe. You know, when students come to me and they ask me, ma'am, what field we should choose or on which area we should work upon. So I just calmly answer them that students, just observe around you. What you observe, just observe the market trend which is going right now or which is ruling the world right now. So they generally reply me, ma'am, it is technology. Yes, this is the point, my dear friends. Technology, just observe around you. You will surrounded by technology. Well, right now I'm facing the camera, you're sitting in front of the computer while you're watching this video, so it means you are actually surrounded by technology. So I think you will agree with my point that technology is a never ending and fastest growing career nowadays. And my dear friends, this is technology who is ruling the world right now, and this is the internet power by which you and me are conversing right now. So I think this is the best option to make your career in information technology. I think it's a good option for you. Now to pursue the right thing from the right place is very much important. Now why it is important? Because if you will pursuing the right thing from the right place, the result will be perfect. So now you need not to very much be confused. if you want to choose a particular course in information technology, the first course is BCA, which is an undergraduate course. If you have done your graduation, then you can choose your MSc IT, which is a postgraduate course. And if you have done BCA previously, you can of course choose MCA for your post graduation. Now let me tell you how to select the perfect place for your studies. Now I can assure you the good and perfect place for study is Biyani. Now, why to select Biyani? What is the reason behind? You may be thinking, why ma'am is saying Biyani? So, let me prove you why Biyani. It is a beautiful college with a beautiful campuses. Now, as you can see, this is our first campus which is situated in Vidyadhar Nagar, and it is a beautiful building. Our second campus is at Kalwar, surrounded by greenery, beautiful birds and beautiful bird voice. So it is a very peaceful and green environment over there to study. Third thing, let me tell you about our mission. Our mission is youth empowerment. So we believe in youth empowerment. Our vision is technical education and research and development. So we believe to technically educate the students, to do the research and development, to educate and to contribute in the society first. Now, how we are working? Any good team cannot work without good leaders. So here our leaders are first of all CA Mr. Rajiv Biyani. Mr. Rajiv Biyani is a very qualified person, and trust me, he is the best and good team leader for our Biyani College. The second pillar of our college is Dr. Sanjay Biyani. Dr. Sanjay Biyani is a youth leader. He is also a youth motivator and a great international speaker. Let me tell you about the third pillar of our college. He is Professor Manish Biyani. He is the Director, Research and Development, currently working and contributing in the world by his research in Tokyo University, Japan. So, good leaders cannot lead without a good team. So here I can present you my good team, the team of IT department of Biyani Group of Colleges. As you can see in the slides, these are mentioned. Now, a good surrounding and a beautiful environment is necessary for a peaceful mind and great study. So, we provide you best and fresh, beautiful classrooms to study. Now, so it is very important to study in a good and a positive environment. We believe that technology is ruling the world nowadays, and it will rule the world in future. So we believe to provide a good sound technical environment to our students. And here we are also providing the world-class library, because a youth can be guided or can be coached with good books and good study materials, of course. Here we also provide you the Wi-Fi campus, because speed is also important, my friends. Now here you need to be very speedy in this competitive world. So you need speed, we are providing you the Wi-Fi campus. Many ideas are there. So we need one conclusion for many ideas. So we take our important decisions and we make a student to think in a beautiful environment, and that room is called Manthan. Well, it is a conference hall. Yes, it is Manthan Conference Hall, from where we find out the conclusion and set the path for our future. Here we have also a beautiful cafeteria. The name of the cafeteria is Laziz, where you can have healthy food and you can live a wealthy life. We also provide student a homely environment. We have a hostel in the campus itself. It's a centrally cooled hostel with a very positive aura and a beautiful infrastructure. World-class gymnasium. Yes, it is our best and major feature that we are having a world-class good gymnasium, because we believe that health is wealth. Biyani College also provides the conveyance facility, because here we believe to remove the gap between you and us. We do believe that nowadays students and the youth is lost anywhere. So we truly believe that positivity and spirituality is the only thing which can make the students go to the right path. My dear student, it's a big point. Nowadays youth is lost anywhere. So we have an idea. We truly believe in spirituality and the positive energy and the positive aura around us. So here we have a beautiful temple in our campus, Guru Hanuman Mandir. So students, they really get benefited daily with the positive era and spirituality environment from the temple. Dear students, we have this trend in our college that we have morning assembly. It is rare in colleges nowadays. But our professor and youth motivator, Dr. Biyani, he really thinks that if you set your tuning or your positive tuning in the morning, then you will work hard and you will work positively all day long. So our morning assembly are very much beneficial for the students. My friends, we are always here to provide you help. So we have daily counseling session with Professor Biyani, and Professor Biyani daily provide free counseling session to the students and guide them and really help them to cure their queries with their future and their career, and it is really benefiting the youth. Well, my dear students, any educational institute is incomplete without the result. So here we have the result-oriented approach, and we provide you the excellent academic environment with 100% of result. We do provide industry-oriented programs. We believe that global collaborations are very much important because nowadays students need to stand on a global platform. Let me tell you, I can proudly say that we have more than 8 collaboration with international universities. Every year our students, they go to international campuses, especially to Japan, and learn research work and contribute society by their knowledge. So I give this credit to Professor Manish Biyani, who is the Director Research and Development in Biyani Group of Colleges. Well, any study is incomplete actually without the placement. Well, we all are studying for placement, right? So we do have 200 plus placement every year for every final year students. So you need not to worry about your job. Yes, placements, we guarantee you for placements. Well, I believe that studies are incomplete without events and activities. We do organize events and activities throughout the year. As you can see, it is mentioned in the slides. Dear students, we believe it's very important to share your knowledge and your research work on the global platform. For this, we organize every year BICON, that is the International Symposium, to portray the research work and the knowledge of our students, and also to share the research work from different international delegates. It is also very much important to discover the students' mind with different workshops and seminars. That's why we do organize international seminars and workshops throughout the year. Now, various seminars are mentioned in the slides, as you can see. Now, let me tell you about the charm of our college, that is Spectrum. Every year we do organize inter-college competition Spectrum, where our students portray their talent in front of every college in the world. And we do invite some very special and dignitaries to our college, so our students get benefited from their life, their journey and their real experiences. So, my dear students, it is the best option for your career to choose Biyani College. Well, I have many points to tell you about our college. Let me tell you, we invite celebrities because nowadays our youth, they are very much motivated toward the fashion and the media world. So we do invite celebrities to share their real experiences with our students, so our students get benefited. Well, let me tell you, it is very much important to look good and smart. So we do organize beautiful fashion classes for our students to give them the best fashion sense and how to present themselves in front of the industry. It is very important to serve the nation also. We have National Service Scheme where our students work hard and give their contribution to the nation. We do organize picnics, Sundarkans and flower exhibitions so that our students can feel good and they can be close to the nature, of course. Now, we do believe that health is wealth. Dear students, throughout the year, we do organize different health activities to motivate our students, to aware our students about their health. Well, any educational institute is incomplete without the sport activities. Throughout the year, we do organize many sport activities and inter-college activities every year. We have also educational tours because exposure is very important. So we do give exposure to our students to observe many different areas by educational tours. Well, as we are running the professional courses, as you can see, so industry visit is really important because the real environment which lies in industry and what is written in the book, they both have very much difference. So it is very much important, my dear students, to be industry ready, and you can get this experience only from industrial visits. Yes, we have with us the Professor Biyani. Professor Sanjay Biyani has delivered more than 200 free lectures. He is a youth motivator. Daily our students, they get benefited by Dr. Biyani's words, and it helps the student to choose the right field and to be very much positive in their career and their day. So we thank Dr. Biyani for the same. And we do have some beautiful certificate courses which has the international names. Yes, you must have heard about Microsoft. Well, I think everyone knows Microsoft. Each and every student in Biyani is certified by MOS, that is Microsoft Office Specialist, and we have one program that is Microsoft Technology Associate. So you have two certificate programs, that is MOS and MTA with you, which are provided by the brand name, that is Microsoft itself. In this era, my dear students, the youth is lost. Yes, we need to do something. We understand this problem. Nowadays, in this era, students are lost. So what to do? Here in Biyani, we do organize spirituality classes. There's a course particularly based on spirituality and values. We set the values for students and they believe in their values so that they can be a good human being, and a good human being can be a good industry person. My dear friends, you can have instant access to your study notes, your psychological testing. More than 900 blogs are uploaded and top ranked books are mentioned. Also 1000 video lectures, more than 500 think tanks, your study material students, scholarship schemes, jobs, general knowledge and beautiful positive thoughts just on your one click. Log on to gurukpo.com. Here, I am proudly announced that next year or this year probably, we are coming with our Biyani University. So we will be providing global knowledge beyond the boundaries. Here, let me tell you student, it is a very important and crucial decision for your life. One mistake can change your life forever. So take the right decision and make your right life. So here, we welcome you in Biyani to make your dreams come true. Thank you so much for listening to me, and God bless you. Best of luck for your future and your career.